Spongebob and Patrick, Friendship Puzzle. Hello guys, nice day to play. Let's play puzzles. Can you put the puzzle pieces back together? Wow, it is good.
You gotta be kidding me.
Do you like puzzle games? Yes, I like too. Wow! Hey, look, it's Spongebob and Patrick. What are they doing? Let's put these pieces together. Yeast is good. Yes, you did well.
Where's the time machine? Where's anything? Where?
Wow, amazing.
You gotta be kidding me.
I think I have the cut for this part. Yes, it works. Can you guess this picture? Yes, you're right. Where should we put this last piece? Wow, you are great. Thanks for playing the puzzle with me.